Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 for a senior person. And to do this, we'll need to open our settings. Then first thing is the display. Inside we can scroll down and find the text size. Here I'm gonna make it as big as possible. Then we can go back, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Inside there's accessibility, and here we want to change to vision. First option is display size, and here you'll be able to adjust your display size as it mentions, and that changes all of the icon sizes and also a bit of the text size. We're gonna confirm it, and our display should become much zoomed in. Next thing is magnification. Here you'll be able to activate it. That way you'll get this floating icon, and if you click on it, your screen will turn with orange outlines, and when you click anywhere it will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the same button. Now let's go back and move to the other options like remove animations. When activated, it will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. I strongly recommend to enable it. Next is high contrast text. You can activate it to get the text with black outline, which will make most of the text on your phone much more visible. And that would be actually all of the settings. You can experiment here even further. I'm not going to cover basically everything right here, but it's for you to discover. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.